Right, so in this video we will try this CloudFormation for we'll try mapping. So we have a mappings here, we have regional map. We can even just try just with regional map X, regional mapping. We have mappings and we have parameters. So for the bucket name, we want to get the value of the bucket name X, which is this one. It has a default of JX bucket name, but in um, our command, the value is Vlad Willard bucket, and then we're going to concatenate it with mappings, region map X. Then it will find this it was region, so it we're using US East one, so it will find this US East one as the default, and then it will go to use the op one. So if we set op one here, then we'll get opt one here. Alright, so let's try this. It should concatenate that for the bucket name, and let's execute that here, but it's unable to okay, so this is the name, this is the name mapping, then this one, let's create that. Alright, so that one is created. Go to CloudFormation, hope that our session is still intact. And here it rolls back, fill bucket name. Alright, pattern, so there might be. Okay, so let's try this. Okay, so we'll have small letters here, so US East 1, and then US East 2, US West 1, US West 2. So let's delete this. Wait. Hmm. There's an accident. Oh. Yeah, get a rug. Get a rug, Nak. No. Put a rug. Wipe that off. Yeah. Put the mug here in the table. Put the mug back here in the table. Yeah. Put the mug in the table. Put it back here and then wipe the one spilled milk. So why is it creating two JX bucket? Why is it creating two JX bucket? JX S3 bucket. JX S3 bucket. Yeah. Why is it creating two JX S3 bucket? So it was now created. So let's go to S3, go to the resources. So this is the ID of the resource that was created. So if you can see here, Vlad Willard, and then bucket East 1. So we concatenated it with US East 1, US East 1, and the name is Vlad Willard bucket, which is from here. Then US East, US East 1. So our mapping is working. So like that. So if we have a map, can we create another mapping here? Like for example, if we do a mapping like x map x. So map x, if like US East 1, um, value is US East X, so or like that, 1x, and then US West 1 is US West 1x. So we can do it like this. So instead of this one here, we'll just remove this layer here. So it'll be just 2. So this map x, then reference to US East 1, and then it will display US East 1x. I believe it's gonna be like that. And then our separator is this one here. So let's try that. Let's delete this, empty that one. No, I think it's fine. We'll just delete this. Or no, we'll not delete the bucket. We'll delete the stack. Alright. So let's delete the stack. And then let's recreate the stack here. Let's rename this value to make it shorter. VW bucket. Alright, so let's copy, paste this one here. Let's execute. That should create, oops, every mapping member must be a map. What? Every mapping member uses this one must be a map. Every mapping member must be a map. Okay. So it doesn't work like that. Every mapping member should be a map. Okay, so it doesn't work like this. Okay, so you need your brief. Where's your brief?
It's nowhere.
Go to mama. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it. So if we change we refresh this, there should be a new bucket that has hyphen as their uh, thing that would join. Spill, one, milk, fresh milk. That sofa came from Europe, bro. It's made of oak wood from Europe. Alright, so this one here, I'll go to the name. So the name there should be have a hyphen now. So this one here, and this one is the joiner. I think the character that joins the two strings. So that's it. Mapping is working. Alright, thanks. Bye.